Mali in South Africa, kawalan ningulura guys. So, apa no my friend, apa. Itheti namhlanje, andiyafuna doon my friend, apa lawe. My friend, usa ka doon, ban ka bala ko, why usilaphi country nwen?
Hello, everybody, South Africa. My name is Fahad. I won't leave South Africa. And this guy, I don't know why he asking me like this. I'm come here to make business. South Africa is my home. I come here to make money. My family can eat. How can you ask me that, buddy?
When my friend, I will take the drugs.
Have you ever seen drugs in my shop? You know almost there. I sell everything right. Nyama, you eat right. You never tie most. Hey, matume nguku, you eat it. Why now you call me like that? I'm killing people in South Africa. I'm a man. Please.
My friend, tell us a real reason why you should stay in our country. Because itheti namhlanje funeka ubekile my friend, funeka uhambile.
My man, I stay here in South Africa because I come here to make business. I told you so much. And also, I make there money, a valued country. That country can have a money in this place. That's why I'm making a business. Your country is having money just because of me. Why now you chasing me away, my man? Come on, man. Try another one.
No, I'm not chasing you away. We are trying